Here's a 3-minute tutorial on how to do a forward weave. Hi, I'm Samara and I'm going to show you how to do a forward weave, which looks like this. I will go over a few helpful tips before showing you the move, first in my right hand and then in my left hand. The move is broken down into two components. The first is the movement of your wrist from thumb pointing up to thumb pointing down. The second is the movement of your arm from one side of your body to the other side. I'm using a 5/8 26-inch outer diameter hoop in this tutorial, but I think you can try this move with any sized hoop. The smaller you go, however, the lighter it will feel. Hold the outside of the hoop in your right hand with your thumb pointing up. Next, flip your wrist 180 degrees from thumb pointing up to thumb pointing down and move your arm from the right side of your body to the left. Flip your wrist so your thumb is pointing up, then cross your arm back to the right side and flip your wrist so the thumb is pointing down. Flip your wrist so the thumb is pointing up to start the movement all over again. We are drawing X's across our body, careful to flip the thumb down as we cross the body, then up as we reach our sides. As the movement becomes more familiar, try to make the wrist flips more fluid. You can also try using different grips, a firm grip on the hoop to a more relaxed grip on the hoop. You can also try letting the hoop spin once on either side before continuing the move. I like this because it is a precursor to 3-beat weave, one of my favorite double hoop tricks. So now that you've got it down with your right hand, let's try with your left hand. Hold the outside of the hoop in your left hand with your thumb pointing up. Flip your wrist so your thumb is pointing down and move the arm across your body. Flip the wrist, thumb up, then move your arm and flip the wrist again back to your left side. We are drawing X's across our body, careful to flip the thumb down as we cross the body, then up as we reach our sides. As the movement becomes more familiar, try connecting the movements and minimize the separation between each component of the weave. You can also try different grips, from having a more firm hold on the hoop to a more relaxed grip. I prefer the relaxed grip when I weave. You can also try adding an extra rotation of the hoop on either side before continuing the move. Let's now go over a couple transitions into and out of the forward weave. You can spin the hoop in your hand and turn into a forward weave like this. Or you could spin the hoop and weave in front of your body and behind your body like this. Woohoo, so fancy. Another idea is to transition between an isolation and a forward weave. You can add the turn into the forward weave like this, or you can weave front back of the body without the turn. Any moves that you see here that I have tutorials on will be linked in the description below, so check those out if you want to try. And that is pretty much it. Let me know if you found this helpful or if you want a tutorial on any other hoop trick. I appreciate your support and hope you have an inspired, above average day. Bye!